Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a simple South Indian tomato curry. This easy but spicy curry goes perfectly with rice or some Indian flatbread. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 500 grams of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of Urad dal, 2 dried chilies, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground fenugreek, half a teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, 120 milliliters of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium heat. Add the mustard seeds and wait for them to start popping. Then, add the cumin and fry it for about 20 seconds. Now it's time for the Urad dal. Fry the lentils until they turn a light golden brown, which should take about half a minute. Toss in the dried chilies and curry leaves and give everything a quick fry for another 30 seconds. Now add the chopped onion and continue to fry for another 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in the finely chopped ginger and garlic. Let both cook for about 2 minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes, the powdered spices, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together well and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the tomatoes have softened. Pour in 120 milliliters of water, stir it all together, and let the curry simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes until it has reached your desired consistency. To finish, season the curry with sugar and add a little more salt if needed. You can serve this curry with rice, but I think it tastes best with flatbread. Hope you enjoy it,